In this step, we show you how to directly interface with GPT-3 using natural language to generate working code and also integrate with any API, for example, Pabbly, Zapier, or Google Sheets. To start, copy this quote, then open the editor and go to the code editor, not the no-code editor. Then go to File, Generate GPT, and paste in what we just copied. Click File, Generate. Now, I've already set up Pabbly, but you can use any Zapier, or you can even go directly to Google Sheets. You need to go and copy the webhook URL from whatever integration service you use and click Recapture Webhook Response. Then go back to the script. I've already set up my Pabbly integration webhook URL at cheatlayer.com/bot, so it's automatically filled it in for me. But you would need to paste in your webhook URL here. Then go to File, Run. And you have the data. First step is to click Add New Row in Google Sheets. Connect it to the same Google Sheets account where you've set up another Google Sheet. I've already set one up here. Now the important parts are you need a column name. I put title and description here because it's useful in the first step and the next step, and the name of the Google Sheet. So let's go back here, and it's automatically picked it up because the last one I used. We need to click the input box under each column name, and then click Webhook Capture Webhook, and then the input. Okay, I'm going to save and send test request. Looks like it sent it. Now we can go back to the script, go to Run, and every time we run it, it will send all the data, which is basically another table lower on our onboarding, which explains how our webhook works. Webhooks can actually let you set up your own local Zapier or Pabbly with unlimited tasks and hours because it runs in the background of your browser and allows you to integrate with any API. Alright, great. Now you can move on to step 4.